Hello students, today we are discussing about irrational number. So before we start irrational number, we have to know what is irrational numbers. So in previous classes, you know definition, irrational numbers, which numbers cannot write in the form of p by q, which numbers cannot write in the form of p by q are called irrational numbers. You already studied about it in the previous class. And one more definition also we can say it, non-terminating and non-recurring decimals are called irrational numbers. Non-terminating and non-recurring decimals are called what? Irrational numbers. Recurring decimals are called rational numbers. Non-recurring decimals are called what? Irrational numbers. And one more definition also we can give for it. Which numbers have not perfect square root, which numbers have not perfect square root, that numbers is also called as a irrational number. So example, see, I am writing here 1 square is equals to 1 and 2 square is equals to 4 and 3 square is equals to 9, 4 square is equals to 16 and 5 square is equals to 25. If I take the square to right side, that becomes square root. So what can we write it now? So 1 is equals to square root 1. When the square take to right side, that becomes square root. Now for this is what? 2 is equals to square root 4. This 3 is equals to square root 9. For this 4 is equals to square root 16. And for this is what? 5 is equals to root 25. It means what? The 1 square root is what? 1. The perfect square root of root 4 is equals to 2. Root 9 is equals to 3, root 16 is equals to 4, root 25 is equals to 5. What the numbers are missing here, that numbers are irrational numbers. So here root 1 is what? Rational number, and root 4 is also rational number. It is also rational. What the numbers are missing here? Root 2 is missing and root 3 is also missing. Root 4 is there, root 5 missing, and root 6, root 7, root 8, and so on. So these type of numbers are called what? Irrational number. Now in 10th class, we are going to study about this type of irrational numbers. So I am explaining one theorem. What the theorem it is? Let P be a prime number. If P divides a square, then P divides a. If P divides a square, then P divides a, where a is positive integer. A is a positive integer and P is a prime number. So example, we take 2 is a prime. P is equals to what? 2. and take a is equals to what? 4. 4 is a positive integer. So what tells this the theorem? If p divides a square, p divides a square. So a is what? 4. 4 square by p is what? 2. So 4 square is a 16 by 2. So 2 8 is a 16. So it divides. Then p divides a by p. P divides a. So in place of p, a you write 4, in place of p you write 2. Is equals to what? 2. The theorem is what? If p divides a square, then p divides a. Now the topic is proving irrational numbers. So first I am taking prove that. The question is prove that root 2 is irrational number. The provings are two types. One is the direct proof and second one is a indirect proof. This problem I am going to show you indirect type of proving. Solution. Let assume root 2 is rational number. Actually we have to prove root 2 is a irrational number, but we are taking controversy as a rational number. Then we can write it. Then we can write root 2 is equals to a by b, because a by b is a rational number form, where a comma b are co-primes. A comma b are co-primes. Next, you can write by 1 for this. Do cross multiplication. You get what? Root 2b is equals to 1 into a is a. Next you do squaring on both sides. Then it will be root 2b whole square is equals to a square. Now separate the square, both the base. So root 2 whole square into b square is equals to a square. We can cancel the square and root. What will remain? 2b square is equals to a square. B square is equals to a square by 2. This is the first theorem by first equation. By the theorem is what? If 2 divides a square, then 2 divides a. If 2 divides a square, then 2 divides a. So next, a is equals to 2c. Substitute in place of a is what? 2c. So we get it what? In 2b square is equals to a square. We substitute a is equals to 2c. Write 2b square is as it is. In place of a, write 2c and whole square. 2b square is equals to 2 square is a 4 and c square. If we cancel this 2 with 4, 4 with 2, 2 2s are 4. So b square is equals to what? 2c square. If this 2 take left side, this becomes is what? C square is equals to b square by 2. This can add as a second equation. So what is second equation from the theorem? If 2 divides b square, then 2 divides b. If 2 divides b square, then 2 divides b from 1 and 2, A and B have 2 as common factor. But this contradicts the fact that AB are co-primes. So what we are assuming? A by B that are co-primes, but here we are having A and B have a 2 as a common factor. So our assumption is false. Root 2 is an irrational number. Now next question. Second question. Prove that 3 root 2 is irrational number. Let us assume 3 root 2 is rational number. Then we can write then 3 root 2 is equals to A by B, where A comma B are co-primes. So in this problem, you keep root 2 as it is and transfer these 3 to right side, then that becomes A by 3B. Since A, B and 3 are integers, A by 3B is rational number. But root 2 is irrational number. So irrational is not equals to rational number. Therefore, our assumption is false. So finally, what they given? 3 root 2 is irrational number is correct. Now the next question, question number 3, prove that 5 minus root 3 is irrational number. The solution is, let us assume 5 minus root 3 is rational number. Then we can write that number 5 minus root 3 as what? A by B, where A comma B are co-primes. You keep minus root 3 as it is, A by B, and transfer this 5 to right side, that becomes what? Minus 5. You keep as it is this minus root 3 and write by 1, do LCM. B divides with B one time, 1 is A. Next, B divides with 1 is B times B into 5 is what? 5B. Next, minus root 3 is equals to, take minus common from this. So what you can write? Minus of minus A. So this minus into minus is plus A. So minus into plus, minus 5B by B. Then we can cancel this minus minus. So root 3 is equals to this minus A plus 5B by B. root 3 is equals to, if we write this numerator in order form, that will be 5b minus a by b. Since a, b and 5 are integers, 5b minus a by b is rational number, but root 3 is irrational number. So irrational is not equals to rational number. So therefore our assumption is false. What they given in the question, that is correct. What is that? 5 minus root 5 is irrational number. Now the question number 4, prove that 2 plus root 3 is irrational number. Solution. Let assume root 2 plus root 3 is rational number. Then we can write root 2 plus root 3 is equals to a by b, where a comma b are co-primes. Now we keep any one value in this 2. So I am writing root 2 is as it is, a by b plus root 3 transfer to right side, that becomes what? Minus root 3. Next you do squaring on both sides. Then we can write root 2 whole square is equals to a minus b, a by b minus root 3 whole square. The square root get cancelled, 2 remains. Now this RHS term is in the form of a minus b whole square. In place of a, write a by b. In place of b, write root 3. So a square, a by b whole square minus 2ab plus b square. So write this 2 as it is. The square separate for both the values. A square by b square minus 2a root 3 by b plus square root cancel 3. Next write this 2 as it is equals to a square by b square minus 2a root 3 by b plus 3. Now transfer this term to left side. This 2 is to right side. This minus term becomes plus. 2a root 3 by b is equals to a square by b square plus 3, and this plus 2 transfer to right side as minus 2. So next write 2a root 3 by b is equals to a square by b square plus 1. 3 minus 2 is what? 1. We can write by 1 and do LCM is b square. B square with b square divides 1 time 1 into a square is what? A square, plus b square divides with 1 is b square ones are b square. This is 2a root 3 by b is equals to a square plus b square by b square. You keep root 3 is as it is and transfer this 2a by b to right side. So then that is becomes what? Reciprocal. So b comes up and this 2a comes down. So we can cancel this b and square. The remaining is what? Root 3 is equals to a square plus b square by 2ab. 2ab. We write now, since A, B and 2 are integers, then a square plus b square by 2ab is rational number, but root 3 is irrational number. Therefore, irrational is not equals to rational number. So, our assumption is false. So, what they given? Root 2 plus root 3 is irrational number. It is correct.